I'm Luisa and this is Rafaela. We are from Brazil and welcome to the Garden Route Elephant Park.
Africa kukhala bangwele, Africa kukhala bangwele wema, Africa kukhala bangwele, Africa kukhala bangwele wema, halala. Africa kukhala bangwele, Africa kukhala bangwele wema, Africa kukhala bangwele, Africa kukhala bangwele wema, halala, halala.
As a volunteer, our duties include make sure Boma is clean and make enough food for the elephants. What I like about South Africa is the elephants, the nature, the people, the beach.
My name's Debbie, and basically we are in our elephant boma at the moment. This is essentially where the elephants sleep. We have 12 pens for 12 elephants. They each have their own pen that they come into at night. And they get a nice bed of sawdust, and they get a nice pile of browse and straw for them to eat at night. They basically come in at about 7 o'clock at night, and then we keep them in until about 6:30 in the morning, when they're taken out and they spend the rest of the day in the field. With elephants, it's quite important that they eat in the wild, they'll eat for about 18 hours a day. So obviously here, when we keep them inside, we obviously have to compensate for that. So we actually bring in extra food for them at about 8 o'clock at night, and then again at 5 o'clock in the morning, we bring in more food for them. And this is something that the volunteers help with in terms of keeping the elephants well fed.
Hi, I'm Loria. I'm the volunteer coordinator at the Garden Route Elephant Park. We actually get volunteers from all over the world that we rely on to help us collect data for our research unit that we have based here at the park. The volunteers their day runs from 6:30 a.m. up to 6:30 p.m. They're involved in daily maintenance of the park, helping us take care of the elephants, helping us feed the elephants, enrichment programs. The most important thing they do is they spend a lot of time out in the field collecting field data from the elephants on a daily basis that we're compiling into a large database so we can provide research on them. The volunteers assist in a project with a local underprivileged school. Occasionally we are called upon to go down and help them with a gardening project that was started to teach them how to be sustainable, pretty much, and teach them how to grow their own fruit and vegetables. They actually use the fruit and vegetables at the school in order to make lunches for the kids there.
Africa kukhala bangwele, Africa kukhala bangwele wema, Africa kukhala bangwele, Africa kukhala bangwele wema, halala, halala.
Nós amamos a África do Sul. I love South Africa.